Are you feeling bloated, constantly tired? Your liver could be overloaded, and you don't even know it. But imagine, you can cleanse your liver naturally using common foods from your kitchen. Let me show you the top 5 liver cleansing superfoods you should be eating right now. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and watercress help flush out toxins and increase bile flow. Your liver loves them. Lemon water. Starting your day with warm lemon water stimulates liver enzymes and promotes detoxification. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes and fight inflammation. Beetroot. Rich in antioxidants and nitrates, it supports liver function and helps purify the blood. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats and glutathione, which protects the liver from damage and helps repair it. Your liver is your body's natural filter. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Start adding these foods to your meals, and you'll feel the difference in just a few days. For more health tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.